I was skeptical of what could be trimmed from the $320 Kobra, the current best 3D printer for beginners, without making it a lesser machine. The Kobra's original direct drive was swapped for a Bowden extruder, the touch screen replaced with a smaller knob-driven display, and the whole printer is now a DIY kit. The two premium features that remain are what I feel are most needed: auto bed leveling and the PI Flex plate. Sure, the Kobra Go takes an extra 40 minutes to build when compared to its predecessor, but at the end of the day, you have a handsome-looking machine that prints really well while keeping $100 in your pocket. I call that a good deal, and definitely. Included in the box, the Anycubic Kobra Go comes with everything you need to get started: tools to build and maintain the printer, side cutters, nozzle cleaner, grease, and a micro SD card with a USB adapter. You also get a spare nozzle, short piece of PTFE tubing for the extruder, and small sample of PLA. There's a paper copy of the quick start guide to help you build the printer. The micro SD card comes with a sample model, a PDF copy of the manual, a copy of Cure 4.12, and profiles for PLA, TPU, and ABS to get you started. The Kobra Go is a do-it-yourself kit that you'll need to fully assemble. I got the machine together in about an hour. The only part assembled for you is the base, and everything else needs to be screwed together. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. But if you need help, Anycubic told me they will be including an assembly video on the micro SD card when the machine is officially released. There's a couple of things that set this build kit apart from other similar printers I've assembled. First, there is a nice indent to help you seat the gantry to the base frame. You still need to run bolts up through the bottom, but at least you know you have the frame in the right spot. The Kobra Go is the first kit I put together that also has auto bed leveling. This means there's no need to install or fiddle with a Z-height switch. The Bed Leveling Pro, which is installed by Anycubic on the hot end, acts as your switch. This is very important. A poorly placed switch can lead to crashing your nozzle into the bed the first time you level it. The Anycubic Kobra comes with an inductive automatic bed leveling sensor, which uses a non-contact magnetic probe. This is the same leveling sensor on the standard Kobra, and it can sense the metal surface of the build plate while hovering a few millimeters above it. There are no knobs for manual trimming, and everything is done through the printer's touch screen. To level the bed, select leveling, then select auto leveling, and the printer takes care of the rest. It will home the bed, then double tap 25 spots and grade across the bed surface. The sensor stops a few millimeters above the bed, not allowing the nozzle to touch during auto leveling. It's important to note the auto leveling can only tell where the sensor is located, not the nozzle itself. The next step is to set the Z-height, which places the nozzle the perfect distance from the bed. See our handy tutorial on how to level a 3D printer bed to get an idea how close you should get. The Anycubic Kobra Go is only slightly different in design from the original Kobra. It still has a modern look with an etched black aluminum alloy gantry and sturdy plastic parts embossed with futuristic looking patterns. The Houghton cover is smaller and looks a bit more like the 2021 Viper, our pick for best printer for print farm. The electronics in a 400-watt power are the same, and still tucked under the build plate, giving it a nice neat footprint. The machine checks in at 15.4 pounds, 7 kg, making it fairly easy to move. There's a 32-bit board, silent stepper motors, and extremely quiet fans. I was very happy to see the Kobra Go still has that textured PI-coated spring steel plate from the original Kobra, held down with magnets. Most prints pop off when the bed cools down, but larger or more sticky peg prints can be removed easily by flexing the plate. I hope you found this video helpful. It's my pleasure if you were helped a little at least. If you have anything to query for, please comment us below. Thank you for watching this video.